Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. And today video is all about Mcaffeine kit, the 3 famous and in demand kits. तो जिसने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ जाके मुझे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, मुझे सपोर्ट दीजिए और मैं आपके लिए ऐसे ही वीडियोस लाती रहूँगी हर चीज़ के बारे में. मेरे हाथ कितने बड़े लग रहे हैं. So let's get going. So Mcaffeine is all about bold, young and confident, and the first kit we have is Mcaffeine Be Date Ready Body Polishing Gift Kit, and this is the kit over here. So it's rupees 954. So you can buy it on Nykaa or you can buy it in Mcaffeine website in Instagram. So let's see what's inside. So it have like a body scrub of this and a body butter, and ये आता है आपके ग्लास बॉटल में. कितने सुंदर बॉटल है, just see, just have a look. It's a super cool glass and a heavy bottle. So उसके साथ आपको मिलता है ये स्कूप जो आता है वुडन में. ये बहुत अच्छा है आपको स्क्रब निकालने में और बॉडी में डाल के आराम से स्क्रब कीजिए आप. So it have pure Arabica, coconut oil, cocoa butter, argan oil, vitamin E and caramel. जब भी आप इससे शावर लेंगे आपको एक बहुत प्यारी स्मेल आएगी कॉफ़ी की. It smell amazing guys, just like coffee. It's amazing product I have ever seen in my life. So why this is a perfect gifting kit, because ये आप किसी भी जेंडर को गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, men and women, and it have natural coffee, raw coffee in it, and it essential for our skin, and it have a bold packaging, and it is normal to oily skin, and you can gift it in any occasion. So I quickly tell you how to use it. तो आपको ये स्कूप दिया है बॉडी स्क्रब के लिए. तो आप जब भी शावर लेते हैं तो बॉडी स्क्रब के बड़े स्कूप लीजिए और जस्ट थ्रो इट इन योर बॉडी एंड जस्ट एक्सफोलिएट एंड जस्ट remove the dead skin from your body. And after you have done with your scrubbing, do it for just 5-10 minutes. Just scrub, sit and scrub, just use it under this area. It's just for your body. And when you're done your scrubbing part, then just take a natural body butter in your hand and just rub this up in your hand and then apply it to your skin, and your skin will be super smooth, super nourished and super hydrating, and it give you a coffee like. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप स्क्रब के बाद कोई भी मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाओ. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप Mcaffeine का ही लगाओ, बट अगर आपके पास Mcaffeine का सेम मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं है, सेम बॉडी बटर नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, पर आप बॉडी बटर और मॉइस्चराइज बिल्कुल कीजिए, बिकॉज स्क्रब के बाद हमारी स्किन ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है, तो उसको मॉइस्चराइजेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो जब भी आप बॉडी को स्क्रब करें तुरंत उसके बाद apply a moisturizer. So the second kit we have is Mcaffeine De-Stress Kit, which look like this. So let's see what's inside the box. So we have a body oil inside this, we have a scoop, and then we have a handcrafted premium wooden massager, and then the last body scrub, and we have a special message from Mcaffeine. You can see it over here. And this kit is rupees 888 rupees, and it's super relaxing, nourishes, and so it have pure Arabica coffee, caffeine, coconut oil, rosehip and vitamin oil. This is the very good body oil I've come across my life. It's best. So how to use it? first you have to just apply a body oil, and you can massage it with a massager. It's super relaxing. Oh my god, I love doing this. Superb. And then you have to leave it for 10 minutes and the oil will absorb, and then you have to apply body scrub and then just exfoliate the dead skin. And after scrub, you know what to do. Just moisturize, just apply body butter in your skin, and you're good to go. And the third and the last one is Mcaffeine. Mcaffeine coffee prep kit, and look like this. And the box that have face serum and under eye cream, and you get this under eye roller thing, which is cool. It's super cool. And we have, it was rupees 915 rupees. So it help in depuffing your eyes, and it help in hydration, and it remove dark circles and remove sun damage on your skin. And so it have white water lily, coffee, caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and sweet almond oil. So quickly I tell you how to use it. Take a pea size of face serum after you're done with your face wash. Just take a pea size, there is a pump over there. Take a pea size and just dab it into your skin, your face, and just after applying the serum, you can apply your under eye cream. You can apply it over here on this eye bone area, and you are good to go. And you can do it on your. So after seeing this three things, मैं लास्ट इसके लिए बोलना चाहूँगी कि आप रात को यूज़ कर सकते हैं बहुत अच्छे से अंडर आई क्रीम, क्योंकि रात को बहुत जल्दी वर्क करेगी. और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. और ये वीडियो यहीं एंड होती है. सो आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.